This virtual Storytime originally aired as a live member-exclusive event on Zoom in August of 2020. We hope you enjoy!
Happy Birthday, Thomas, based on the Railway series by the Reverend Wilbert Awdry, illustrated by Owen Bell. Peep, peep! Here comes Thomas the Tank Engine. Thomas and his friends work hard every day. Thomas does not want to work today. It is his birthday. He wants a party with presents, balloons, and silly hats. Do you have a favorite silly hat? But Sir Topham Hatt says, Henry is busy. Gordon is busy. James is busy. You must work today, Thomas. So off Thomas goes to his branch line, back and forth, back and forth. He carries people. He carries animals. He carries wood. He carries grain. Thomas sees his friends near the engine shed. No one says happy birthday. No one says a word about presents, balloons, or silly hats. At the end of the day, Thomas heads home. Those engines did not look so busy to me. Oh no! A cow is in the way. Move, says Thomas. Moo, says the cow. No, 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 says Thomas. Not moo, move. At last, the cow moves. Thomas is late. Thomas is tired. Some birthday. Sir Topham Hatt opens the doors to the dark shed. Thomas chugs inside. Lights come on. Surprise, say all Thomas's friends. We were busy, says Henry. We were busy making a party for you, said James. It is a wonderful party. There are presents, balloons, and silly hats to wear. Happy birthday, Thomas. The end. Now, this is a book that you can pick up in our physical and online museum gift shop at sdmrm.org/shop. We also have lots of other Thomas stories available in the gift shop, and you can listen to even more Thomas stories in our virtual exhibit, 75 Years of Thomas.